Many Cambodian displaced civilians still could not return home despite the ceasefire that has been reached on December 27 due to Thai certain actions including the placing containers, laying barbed wires, as well as the raising national flags. It's around 3 p.m. on January 3rd. When I reached here, the Bang Takun region, it is so quiet. I could only hear the sounds of the birds and animals, but I could not find any people who dare to stay here. Cambodian government spokesperson Pan Bona said during this morning press briefing that these actions, including the destroying of some civilians' properties, have violated the Cambodia's territorial integrity as well as the previous agreements and also the United Nations Charter. He added that Cambodia will not recognize the alteration of the